Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove the airbag, the steering wheel, the steering column cover and headlight and wiper switches from a Peugeot 207. So first of all, we will start with the airbag. You can see you have here the airbag with four hooks, the two lower ones and the two upper ones. You can see lower one catching the road like this here and here, and the upper one catching it from the side like this. So what you have to do is to take a flat screwdriver and push it through the hole here, and once you push it upwards, there's a road, you can see it. When you push it upwards, it moves all the road that catching the hooks, and then the airbag can be released. Very important to say that you see the two lower ones are the first to release, and don't push them too hard, then it will be hard to remove the upper one. Just wait for it pushed very hard, and then you will hear clicks, and push it gently towards you, the airbag. Now, to remove the steering wheel, we will need a T50 to undo this bolt. Now, don't release the bolt entirely, keep it on the steering wheel, and now just bang it and move it very fast and push it toward us. The bolt here is to make sure that the steering wheel won't fly to our face. It's very important. You can see we released it. Now we undo the bolt and we can take it entirely. That's it. To remove the steering wheel column cover, we need to undo two T20 bolts right here. Now there's a lot of clip hanging the two parts together, so just push it from here, from the backwards, from the downside. Don't forget to take the key out. That's it. This is the upper one. Now to get the wipers and light switches, we need to undo this bolt and tighten it towards the column, and once we undo it, we can take it out towards us. Before we undo the bolt, we need to take the wires from here and here. You see it's very easy to remove it. I do it with my hand. And after we release, you see this black plastic clip. He hangs to the steering column, so you need to push it upwards and push all the switches towards you. You have one here and one on the lower side. You undo them and then push it towards you. And the final part is to remove those three wires. You need to take this clip upwards and push it towards you. And that's it, guys. This is how you undo the steering wheel, the airbag, the steering wheel column cover, and the light and wiper switches. If you need more parts for your Peugeot 207, please contact us in the email below. If the video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos on how to disassemble parts from your Peugeot 207, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.